This is a video test and audio test of this miniature global DV. Oops, actually, you know what? Hold on. There we go. Global DV136ZB digital video camera. It is currently 70 out, and it looks like it does pretty well. So, as you saw in the picture, which I will show again, this is the current camera I am currently using. I got it at Goodwill for a couple bucks. So, and that's the camera I'm using in this test. Alright. It says it has 4 times digital zoom, but I'm not sure how you zoom. I might have an idea, but I'm going to check that out on my next video. Alright. Looks like that's that. Alright, I'll see you later.